So my wedding is in just a few days, and I know some of you guys have been asking about like what the wedding decor actually looks like, you know, what are the wedding colors. So today I wanted to share with you the bridesmaids dresses and kind of like the colors of the bridal party and all about these dresses. So I went with Birdy gray for the bridesmaids dresses, which I'm sure a lot of you already know about. Really affordable dresses, easy to pick online, but I was really excited to go with them for my bridesmaids because they have this really incredible project that they partner with called the Princess Project. It's kind of like a recycling service for your bridesmaids dresses because, as we all know, if you're a bridesmaid, you know, you kind of have to buy a certain color and a certain dress and you probably don't wear it again, which isn't ideal. So they partner with this project which donates gently used bridesmaids dresses to teens in need for like prom and homecoming, which is just so cool. Really cool. I've never heard of anything like that before with like a bridesmaids dress company, and I was just so excited about it to have like a recycling aspect and make me feel good about the dresses that I was getting for my entire party. So I wanted to share with you the really fun DIY aspect to these bridesmaid dresses because they're all convertible. They have like a convertible neckline. And so I just wanted to do a quick tutorial. Hopefully this will help my bridesmaids before the wedding because there are so many different types of ways that you can actually do this dress. It's really cool. These are the bridesmaids dresses and I just love this color. It's like a dusty rose kind of mauve. For the bridal colors, I kind of went with all kind of a nude theme. The guys are wearing light gray. I just love all those types of colors together. So here's how it looks on. It comes strapless like this. Excuse me, Stoney, sir. Can you get your leg out of here? Pardon him. I'm so sorry. He says he's very sorry. Okay, back to the program. So as you can see, it comes strapless and there are these two really long strands of tulle that come on the front of the dress that you can make any type of neckline with, which you could also use these to whip the other single boys at the wedding to be your girlfriend. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how that works out. So the first and easiest way to do this dress is strapless, and you can just tie the straps however you would like into just a simple knot, flowy down the back, or you could tie it into a big bow, or you can even tie it into a bow on the front, wherever you want this to be on the waistline. It's up to you, girl. The next one that you could do is two wide straps, so just kind of pull them up and over your shoulders. You can do a crisscross in the back and then wrap the extra around your waist and tie it in a knot or a bow in the back. Or you could do regular straps that aren't crisscross and loop them through the side belt loops and then wrap it around again and tie that in a knot or a bow in the back. The next one, oh so fun, is a halter style where you can pull the streamers up around your shoulders and tie it in a knot right around the back of your neck. Wrap them around the front and then tie it in the back. You could also do a crisscross method in the back if you wanted to. Hi, sir. He wanted to get involved. Okay, bye, sir. The next possibility would be like a Grecian style. So you tie it in a knot right at the strapless neckline and then kind of put it over your shoulders just like a halter. You can crisscross it in the back. You could tie it around the back of your neck again and just go crazy on the back. You do whatever you want. The next variation of this kind of Grecian style is to make sleeves with the top of those streamers. So you can pull them right over your shoulders and kind of make some sleeves, a little bit more modest for you. Or if it's a more chilly wedding, that could work for you. Now the next sleeve option we have is like a butterfly sleeve. So you can just pull them straight over your shoulders, kind of wrap it around the back, and then pull those all the way down, crisscross in the back, and tie it in place. The next one is a one shoulder style, which I actually wore this style to my sister's wedding. I just love this style. So you can pull both of the streamers over one of your shoulders and then kind of cross them in the back like I did here. How I love it is you can twist the streamers together and make a one shoulder back and front. Kind of tie it around your waist, tie it in the front, tie it in the back, whatever you want to do. Another variation of the one shoulder is to do kind of like a sleeve. So just pull that down over your shoulder, tie those up in the back. Remember that you can use those side belt loops whenever you want to kind of like secure those styles that where you have to pull it in the back definitely helps a lot. This one is so unique. I think this one's so fun. It's like a split shoulder look, so it's really easy to do. So you just tie a knot just like the Grecian style, but then you're going to take each one of the streamers above the knot and kind of split it over one of your shoulders and then cross them in the back like so and tie a little bow in the back. Another really fun way to do a very simple style is to do a halter but with a little bow at the top of the back of your neck. I just think it's so cute, and the long streamers down the back is just, it's such a different style. You can also split this into a cross back like that. Oh yes, honey. Or you can do a super fun T-back where you tie a knot above the base of your neck and then wrap them right around your waist right there. Then the last one I could think of was this simple 2 skinny straps. So you're just going to take each of those to this side belt loop, thread it through over your shoulder and then back through that same belt loop and then tie it in the back or front. And you can also twist these straps to make them a little skinnier if you wanted to. I mean, I think there's like an infinite number of ways that you could do the neckline of this dress, and that's why I think it's just such a cool design idea to implement onto any type of dress, or even like a jumpsuit or something really fun, because you can just wear that garment again and again in different ways and feel like it's a little bit more unique and different each time. So I just wanted to share all of these different kind of convertible ways that you could do with this type of design idea, and let me know if you guys try this yourself, like a DIY, something that you made and you added this onto. That would be really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want a sneak peek of my wedding decor, I will be doing a dedicated video on that. So if you want a sneak peek before I post the video, go ahead and head to my Instagram, where you can see this dress kind of with all of the colors and the DIY things that I did for the actual decor. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.